My name is Fredrick, and I'm a graduate of electrical engineering. All this while I've been, working for agencies, but I decided to, start up my own agency. The reason being that, in order to help others like myself, out there are many, graduates who these days are working in warehouse, picking and packing products, driving Ubers. And I find this as a challenge because after spending so many years in studying, only to come up to be doing all those menial jobs. So I decided to bring in, come into this training to learn more so that I can be able to help others like myself as well. And since I'm being in this training for these weeks, I've got in depth of what it really is because I came here as a novice, not knowing where to start from and how to go about it. But since I came to this training, there have been a kind of, eye-opening, how to go about it, how to start up this, business, and it has been very good. I've got in-depth training from, the proprietor, and he has helped me a lot. I won't, be able to secure a placement, which is worth up to £70,000 a year salary, which is a good thing. If not for this training, I would be able to do that. And I will encourage others who's fed up of the kind of life they are living right now to try and contact Mr. Joe Davis, who will be able to put you through to this training, and you'll come out successfully if you really want to change your life for the good and for the better. And my goal is to help people as well as myself, to bring their eye opening and to support them in any way, anyhow. Because in this country we are today, you have to be financially okay to take care of your family. And that is where we come in to support people who can't really find job for themselves and to help them to achieve those goals, to set up for themselves as well. Definitely, because if not for this training I come to, and somebody recommend you to me, so I will also do likewise, because that is the sole purpose of this training, to help others and to bring awareness to people who don't really know where to start from. So definitely I will recommend this agency as well.